Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Ganesh Chaturthi special modak. We are going to make two types of modak today. One is the carrot, which has a stuffing of malai inside. Let's see how to make it. Take some carrots, around 250 gram, grind it up in a food processor, or you can use a blender jar and pulse it until it has a fine crumb. We don't want to make a paste of it. Next, add 1/4 cup of milk and blitz it again. We're going to cook this mixture now. Use low to medium flame and cook it until water starts to evaporate. Now we will add 1/4 cup of milk powder here. Cook it. Next we will add 1/4 cup of condensed milk to it and we'll cook it until it starts to leave the pan. Add some cardamom for the flavor and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let's make the stuffing now. Here I have taken homemade paneer made out of 750 ml of milk. We're gonna add some raba to it, around 1 tablespoon. Mix it up a little bit. Use your hand here. Now we're going to cook this mixture. We will add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk here, and some cardamom powder, and cook until the mixture thickens. We will take half of the mixture here for the stuffing for our carrot modak. Knead it a little bit. Portion and shake them into small balls. Do this process while it's still warm. Now it's time to assemble our modak. Take your mold, grease it with some ghee, add the carrot mixture to both the halves and put the stuffing inside. Same way we will make all our modaks. Now to the other half of the stuffing mixture, we will add 1 tablespoon of saffron soaked with milk and cook until the mixture thickens. Cool it slightly and knead it a little to make it homogeneous. Grease your mold with ghee and set them into modak. Garnish them with some saffron strands and some chopped pistachios. Our saffron Malai Modak is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.